Good morning, everyone. Today we're going out for my birthday. I just turned 30 on 2 days ago.
3-0.
Yeah. For you guys, it's probably gonna be a few months, but we're going to the Motor Trend Auto Show, and then we're going to do go-karts, which will be in a different video, but I'll put a link up for whenever that one's coming out. And then we're having a little house party tonight, so we clean the house. But as usual, we're waiting on Mr. Fabulous, Darius. He's always late.
We told him 9:30 and it's almost 10.
Yeah.
The thing opens at 10. We were trying to get there at 10.
Opens at 10. I don't really know what kind of cars are going to be there or what it's going to be like, but it's going to be at the Music City Center, and I've never actually been inside it because you actually have to go for an event. They don't let you just walk around, so it should be cool.
Convention Center.
Jimmy's going.
Say hi, Jimmy. Jimmy is 32.
31.
Oh.
He just likes filming people.
And our buddy Jeremiah from their work is going with us.
Work time, not work time, but.
Yeah.
Lily! Lily!
There's a tripod.
He has tires, there's just no tread.
No, there's still no tires on that thing.
Darius, what's wrong with your voice?
Absolutely nothing.
Well, we made it. There's the Music City Center. We're gonna go inside with
Y'all get passes?
children. Yeah, you got the passes?
No, they're in the car.
Hey. Can you do it again? Can you do a reenactment for video? No, like down. Put her down and run up. Go over there and then run back. Do you like Cayenne?
They love
Okay, let's go. What kind of cars do we get to drive?
Priuses.
Oh, that
Prius
sucks.
4.
Are you ready to drive a Prius?
None of that.
None of that.
None of that.
You were thinking for a long time. For none of that.
Wait, we'll switch it with you, and then y'all can have her.
Nope.
Hey.
I'm the camera person today. Are you excited about seeing cars? You look like it. Look at the Music City. Can has her child for the day.
This is my turn to hold that.
Yeah, here it's your turn still. You're gonna want to drive all the cars. You want to be back. Can you hold it? Can you shine it at them? Show them. All the children have to.
Mama! I got you, Mama! I got you! I got you! I got you. Wait, I gave you Melody.
Where's Josh?
Josh! 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 Josh!
Show Jeremiah and Jimmy.
Yeah, that's how, like, if you, like,
I got you! I got you! I got you! I got your first.
Yeah.
Hey, Kitten! You're the better picture. Okay, okay, let me get a picture of you. Big hugs. Big hugs. Say big hugs. Say chicken lips. Chicken lips. Say chicken lips. Say chicken lips. Say chicken lips, Daddy. Chicken lips. Say chicken lips.
Be cute.
I just got signed up to drive for Chevrolet. I also would like to do that stuff because I still have never driven a Jeep. So, Jeep.
I want to drive a Fiat. Do I have to drive here? Do I have to sign up here?
No, it's over there. See Fiat?
The kids are attached to me.
I know, they always are. Because they're like dogs. You give them attention.
Look at that car, like a race car.
It is.
Cayenne's getting registered to drive a Fiat.
Go on a Chevy, because there's no lines over there.
Cayenne, what are you wanting to drive today?
The Fiat 500X and the Spider 124.
124 Spider.
124 Spider.
You were close. Layla's not having a good day.
Oh, because she wants to hang on me and she can't hang on me.
She's looking at me. Ooh, she wiped that tear off her face with ferocity. Ooh, it's yellow.
Did you guys test drive anything with us today? This is the
Yep, first one. It's got a nice interior.
It does.
And a sunroof.
The one that you're in today starts at around $31,500. Not from the dealership, so that's not etched in stone. It's just the sticker price. You've got 12.2 cubic feet of space in your trunk area, but then when you drop the Compass has the same motor that this has, same engine. Yes.
Oh, really?
Yeah. It's not a multi-air turbo engine, it's a tank.
Yeah.
That's super spacious. Yeah, and the seats, like I said, you can drop them, they're really easy.
He was shaking his head like, no. It's adorable.
Look at Jimmy.
It literally looks like my size car too, just shorter.
Here comes Grandma Jimmy. Grandma Jimmy.
It's the size of a Spark, like
Yeah.
so smaller than my Sonic.
Here's Darius and his 124 Sportster, or Spider, whatever. Alright, we're actually going to the show now. Darius, why'd you do that? He's making us talk between these people. And he's like, hey guys! This is a pretty cool place. You can't actually come in unless you do like a tour or if they have an event. Oh, hey guys. Bye.
I got a T.
Alright.
TT.
What?
I got TT. I got TT. Got TT. Tinkle.
Oh, look at that. Nashville Auto Show. Yeah.
Oh no, they have over 350 cars here.
So you're excited about it now. When I first told Jimmy about it, he was like, "This is gonna be lame."
I never said that.
Yes, you did.
I love car shows.
No, you don't.
You said it. You were like, "It's just gonna be like going to a dealership." You did say that. Yeah, can't deny that. She can't even read it. Huh? What? Oh. This place is pretty big already. Jimmy's gonna try to win a Mustang.
I want to win a Mustang.
Well, you can enter. It's $50,000 vehicle of your choice, so you don't have to get this one. Is this some touch?
I have one.
They have a lot of cars in here.
Give away $15,000 worth of renewal finance windows.
Give away free LASIK. Last week was trying to spend the beautiful show.
I feel like we just got hassled for real. Of course, I would like to win $15,000 worth of free windows. That'd be cool. What are you in, a Fusion?
Dang, it's comfy. Oh yeah, that's nice.
You look so good in it, Jimmy. It's got the light up keypad too, you see this?
Alright, I'll buy it. Tell them just to wrap this one up.
This is the 18?
Where are the windows?
It has the new front end.
I like the front end, yeah, I was about to say.
Happy
you want an
birthday,
18.
Josh! Happy birthday, Josh!
Hey, thanks.
Happy birthday, Josh!
Thanks.
Give Josh a big hug. Give Josh a big hug.
I'm busy.
Birthday, Josh!
I'm busy. Yeah.
Is it my turn now?
No, it'll never be your turn. I'm filming. Is this what you want?
I think this is it. Because it doesn't feel like a huge car, which is great.
Oh, look at that. Is that lit up?
Yep. Oh, it's a comfy ass seat.
What's up, cousin?
It's really plushy.
Yeah,
I like
it was very nice.
Isn't it so comfortable?
It is comfortable,
Is this what you're
yeah.
wanting?
Yeah.
Oh, the headlights came on. Oh, that's sharp, dude. Look at those lights.
I want to see with the hood down now.
I don't
Yeah.
know what he wants though. This one or the other? Are they the same thing?
Alright, let's keep going.
No, he just wanted to see. This is a 2018 too. He just wanted to see it with the hood down. Because this is what the big change for the 2018 was the hood and the whole nose. And you can see how sloped it is.
Look at that grill.
It seems like this car show is for if you're in the market for a new car, you can come here instead of going to many different dealers. Just go to all at the same time.
Where'd
I
your
want
mug
the
go?
Beetle.
The Beetle. You went from a Fiat to a Beetle? This has a pearlescent paint too.
That's pretty.
You see it changing?
Go ask your daddy. Go ask your daddy. I'm getting in here. Go ask your daddy.
Daddy, can we get in now?
Kids for a second.
I know.
They keep grabbing my hands as I walk. They're like, "Kid, kid."
We ain't ready for kids.
This is why I love kids and I can't wait for them, but Not now.
Old Bronco, look at that. That's cool. Man, this is awesome. I wonder if they all have like older cars like that. Yeah, old school Bronco. Man, this thing is awesome.
I like the color of it too.
Yeah. Dude. Wow. There's just bench seat in the back. That's awesome. I think if I was gonna have a Bronco or like an old one like that, I would definitely do this. 120,000 and this can be yours.
Yeah, I haven't got that money.
My God.
Is that with the top, a Bronco with the top on?
Yeah. I'm sure they're different years and everything. I don't know. Yeah, they're supposed to be bringing the Bronco back.
I mean, if it
This
was
is
similar to
almost
this.
$200,000. Wait, are they selling that other one? We need to see how much that is. All right, you go find out and let me know. How much was it?
113,000.
113? That's,
More affordable than the Bronco.
I mean, that's
The other
still
one.
expensive. I was gonna say that's not that bad, but no, it's
better
pretty
than
bad. Now this one right here. How much do you think that is? My God. So this is what we saw that one day when we were going to meet them at Pi 5. Went out. Yeah, I was looking at it. I think that one was blue, but I put it in the thumbnail of that video.
Dude, I like the green. I don't know why.
Oh my God.
640.
Yeah, white leather interior too.
Dude, this right here, man. Oh my God. Black Beauty. That's insane. Black Beauty. Oh, that's weird. Tiger Shark. Hey, I like this one the best. I mean, it's just...
That one's my favorite because it's just clean and
Yeah.
sleek. And just hold on.
Are you farting?
That's his farting face.
Jimmy's farting face.
Cool blue.
It's an Atlas. I believe the Atlas. Yeah.
I do like that blue. Yeah, that's nice.
It's Volkswagen.
Volkswagen.
Why don't you guys just buy this? So I was
Why don't you just shut up? We're not buying a car. Kian just got super excited.
It's blue too.
So she had to stop taking her picture to jump in because she knew you were about to jump in it.
But look, you can sit.
Yeah, you can sit.
And
You can sit in your car.
The new Camaros, though.
Where?
I want to sit on.
Where?
Sit on it.
sit on it.
Sit on the Camaro? I'm sure they would kick you out. Can I just sit on this car?
5 horsepower.
Well, I like the taillights on this one.
Did they extend it?
Yeah, they did. Hey, look, this is the Spark, but they extended it and made it longer.
So it's like your Sonic.
Well, this is what I wanted, but then it was way too tiny.
But now it's just red. What?
It's just too tiny.
Toe tiny.
Yeah, I heard that too.
So toe tiny.
It's so tiny.
Toe tiny.
I like the color though.
I hate
I
it.
think you can shut
I
that
like
on
the
his face.
I don't like the color. I like it, I just don't like the color.
It's like military.
If it was blacked out though, ooh, buddy. I've always wanted a Wrangler. Hey, you know what? I'm gonna actually sit in the Wrangler just so I can feel
Do
it.
you really like it or not?
Yeah.
Okay.
Which one's the Wrangler?
He's right here.
Josh is gonna sit in the Wrangler.
There's people in it though.
After people get out of it.
Just be like, hey, get the out.
You got my Wrangler, please?
Is that the 4-seater or 5-seater? Whatever. 2-row. 4 doors.
See the 4 doors? There's 4 doors.
Go, 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 go. Go, go, go. He got out.
It's nice. I mean, it feels really weird. But apparently the big thing that everybody complains about is like how it rides, because it's meant to be like an off-road vehicle. So
Yeah.
I'd never actually get to feel that until we actually get test drive one or two. But as far as the interior and everything,
Yeah,
it's
it looks
brand
really
new car,
nice.
so this is just the Unlimited. It doesn't say Sport, but it also says JK. So I don't know what exactly that means for it.
Josh and Cayenne.
Oh my God, that's the Compass.
Oh, perfect.
I like this interior. I like the two-tone look, and then they get the red stitching.
Yeah, this is a lot nicer than Ashley's car, because Ashley has the Compass.
This interior is awesome.
How do you open this? Is it not open? Oh, it's way. Ew, I didn't like that. It's not bad. Oh, it's a very large one.
Oh wow, yeah. We're finally gonna get some
there.
food, and everybody's in line getting food, so that's what we're doing next. This convertible just seems weird. It's actually a lot better of a lunch than I thought that they were gonna have here. Is it good? Have you guys seen Darius?
Nope.
These are pretty plushy seats. Everything's been comfortable today.
Yep, totally. Do you think his kids are gonna want to do that?
Probably.
Yeah.
I like it. It's like a
AMG GLE 62ES. Lots of letters and numbers involved in this. Yeah, that is nice.
This is about 121.
121,000?
Yeah.
Man. Demo manager special.
Yeah, Jaguars, you can get into those.
The Jaguar. Can't see the inside at all. See the inside? Oh. It's deep. Yeah. It's still a Rubicon. So it's still the normal, and then they just added a truck bed. It's crazy. Ooh.
Get on my way.
I'm out of your way. You guys look really good in here. I love it.
Ooh.
Oh, did it light up?
Still the. Yeah, I don't like that. It's actually a lot easier to use.
I like
than
the gauges.
Earlier ones.
Excuse me. Yep. I was just like leaning in there looking at it, and I went to leave, and that dude's just like all up on me, and I was like, okay. Then he was just like, there's a nice piece of equipment in it. Where'd everybody go? We can't lose those two. I've already given up on Darius. Roush, is that a Raptor? Yeah, so this is a Roush Raptor. And there's a Shelby Raptor. I think I like that one better. So we got Bentley over here. Maserati. So Ducati is here. So they had one of these at Cars and Coffee. I think it's like the i8. That matte finish though. Woo! Matte finish. I said it all weird. Dude, this is sweet. Porsche Macan.
I do like that blue color.
It's a very nice color. Ooh. Oh. Feels nice. It's like the suede inserts in there. And it's $58,000.
It's not that comfy.
We gotta get them, and then we're gonna see you guys across the street in about 35, 40 minutes.
All right.
All right.
She's not put that glitter when you tried to be a mermaid, remember?
All right, cool.
Bye.
Bye.
You missed the girl's bump and hug.
Yeah, that's fine.
Bye, look at her. Look at her face.
All right, let's go. Don't touch Cayenne. It's Roush charged. So this is supposed to be, I think he said 751 horsepower. No, this is the DB11. The DB09 was like my favorite car, and then they came out with the DB10, and here's the DB11. These cars are sweet. It's Nito looking? Did you just say Nito looking?
Yeah.
No, so the door opens, like this, so the roof goes up, so it makes it easier to get in and out.
Matte white Lamborghini. Ew. Sweet. Mmm. Oh. This thing is awesome. Ugh. Man. Look at those headlights. Where are you? You're so funny. How much do you think this is? Ooh, it's on carpet. It's intentionally locked. She went hard on the door too. Did you see her? She's like, open! Does it have a price on it? No, it is not. So I guess we're done here, right?
Yeah.
Basically. That section was my favorite. I like it.
Hi Josh. That was quick.
Yeah, I peed. Also, I think they put Rain-X in the urinals.
Really?
Because I was peeing and they're just like the splatter a little bit, you know. I was seeing all these little droplets and then you're just like, it looked like Rain-X. Might be a good idea. Rain-X your toilets. Everything come out okay?
It came out pretty good.
Alright. Alright, so now we're going to do go-kart racing, but that's going to be a separate video. So if you want to watch that, then...
Subscribe to the channel.
Which side is it? I'm looking at that way, looking at...
Hello.
Up here, yeah. Go click that card. This place is pretty impressive though. It's just big. Oh, he's actually going for it.
Back in my days, kids. Not that comfortable. Not that comfortable.
Not that comfortable? Jimmy found France. Does he?
Yeah.
It's like a work party. Hey, I'm gonna stop recording them because that's weird.
Yeah.
Who won that time?
Turtle.
Turtle one.
Well, Turtle, yeah. Out of our group, I don't care about Turtle. Turtle's a cheater.
There he is, Jimmy, Jeremiah.
There he is, Jeremiah, Jimmy.
Yeah, so Josh just sucks.
This was one of the funnest things that I've done. It was so much fun.
Yeah.
I've never done go-karts like that, and I will definitely be back. I'm gonna spend like every birthday here. Did you guys enjoy it?
That was awesome.
Jimmy's about to die though, because he's
You're talking
so
like he has the
crazy.
funnest.
You got
What's wrong with
rubber
funnest?
right in your eye.
I
That was
know.
fun.
Yeah, because I kept the visor open. Oh my god.
Oh, they're so cute back there, picking out
You
rubber
got
out of
it
each
for me.
other's eyes.
Turn on the cow.
Everyone left the rubber in your
see.
eyes.
Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more and whatnot.
Although.
Okay, bye.
Use all
Everybody.
profanity.
Say hi to the camera.
Diddly, diddly, diddly.
You said diddly diddly fuck diddly. Good job, Brian.
Oh God, Kayan's taking a shot.
Hey, no, everybody was singing happy birthday before we interrupted. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Joshy Poo. Birthday to you.
That's
Wasn't
delicious.
That is delicious.
Welcome to the rest of the end of your life.
That was amazing.
It wasn't as bad as I expected.
Let's do another.